In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube search history on your TV so you can keep your activity private and remove unwanted suggestions. Let's get started. While the YouTube app on most TVs doesn't provide a direct way to clear your entire search history, there are still effective methods to manage and delete it. To begin, open the YouTube app on your smart TV streaming device, like Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast, or gaming console. Navigate to the search bar where you'll see a list of recent search queries. On many devices, you can highlight a specific search term and look for an X icon or remove option next to it. This allows you to delete individual entries one at a time. If you want to clear your entire search history, you'll need to use a computer or mobile device, as the YouTube TV app on TVs typically doesn't offer a full clear feature. Open a browser or the YouTube app on your phone, sign in with the same Google account linked to your TV, and go to the History section. Click on your profile picture, select History, and then choose Manage All Activity. From there, click Delete Activity By and select a time frame, such as All Time, to erase your entire search history. This change will sync across all devices, including your TV. Alternatively, you can pause your YouTube history to prevent new searches from being saved. In the same History section, toggle on the Pause Watch and Search History option. This ensures no new activity is recorded until you manually turn it back on. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope deleting your YouTube search history on your TV was simple and effective for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.